Okay, this is a question on remainder concept. Mr. Bala had a number of books for sale. He sold a total of 342 books on Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, he sold 1/4 of the remainder. He was left with 18% of the books he had at first. How many books did he have at first? Now, to solve this effectively, we can focus first on the remainder, right? So the remainder is 4 units. And out of 4, he sold 1 out of 4 on Wednesday. And he was left with 18% of his original books. Right? Which means to say that one of this unit will be, okay, so 3 units is 18%. 1 unit of your remainder will be 18% divided by 3, and that will be 6%. Alright, and then with this, we are able to then find what exactly is the remainder. Now, the remainder is 4 units, right? So that is 6% times 4. So that will be 24%. Now, why is there a remainder of 24%? Again, this is the remainder. Why? Because at the start, you sold 342. Then you are left with 24%. So what does it say about 342? 342 books is actually the difference between 100%, which is the original number of books, minus the remainder, and that will give you 76%. So 76% of all your books is the same as 342 books. And we can find 1% now. 342 divide by 76. 342 divided by 76, and you get 4.5. Okay, you can use calculator for this, and you're able to find the original number of books, which is 100%, and that is 4.5 times 100. Final answer for this question, 450 books at first.